Hello guys, this is Mark from Always Sold 123. Look at this 2006 very nice and clean Toyota Solara Convertible, red color with dark gray leather interior, beautiful bumpers, beautiful body. Look at this. Let's go inside and outside. 1 second. Now your front bumper, your tires, good rich. You got door panels, window works. Dashboard here not cracked. The whole dashboard is not cracked. I don't see any cracks on the dashboard. Take a look. No warning lights. 114,000 miles. Top works, of course. AC is cold, of course. Here's your top. Let's go on the bottom. Here's your tires right here. Here's your bottom. I think the car is beautiful. I like these Solaris. Let's open up the hood, trunk. I think these older Solaris are very good. They're cheap. They don't give you much headache. That's your spare. The trunk space is big. You got a cargo net right here. You don't see any rust in the door jambs. Take a look. That's the bottom. Take a look. Sounds very quiet. That's your top. You got a window is good. Window is good. The top is good actually, very good. Door panel. Dashboard. You got some kind of a Bluetooth radio book. No manual. Heated seats right here. Wow, the seat is too cold. Okay. You got back seats. Front seats. Okay, it started to rain. Let's go under the hood. Take a look. Okay, sold by Always Sold 123. My name is Mark. Guys, keep in mind, friendly disclosure. Everything that we sell is sold as is, regardless of any statements. All the paperwork, everything is as is, guys. No other way, no other way. Let's quick open up the top before it rains hard. Okay. Here you go. Beautiful, guys. Beautiful. Top works. Let's close it because it's raining. Okay, all right. 114,000 miles. Don't forget to like my video. Please give us a call. My name is Mark from Always Sold 123. Thank you so much. Bye bye.